Alright guys, so today's project we're going to try and do a rewire. The helm on the boat, when I first got it, it looked like the previous owner just removed whatever electronics he had and basically left all the wiring. So I got the hatch open up here. You can probably see, and this is my bird's nest. So this is what I have. It's cleaned up a little bit, but this is not what I consider clean. So you can see all the way in here. There's wires in here that are not being used. There's extras that are just cut and left. There's wires going across everything. This yellow wire here. This little piece here, which says Ray Marine on it. There's nothing on this boat that has Ray Marine. So this is my next challenge. I'm going to pull all this apart and rewire it, relabel it, make sure everything looks nice, and get it all fixed up. Connected now. Looks like I'm thinking it's going to be easier to just remove the screens and remove the dash and keep pulling wires out. I feel like I just need to get everything out so that I can kind of start fresh. A little better view of what we're looking at. So there, as you can see, is just a ridiculous amount of wiring in there. Way more than needs to be. Just a giant bird's nest. So I feel like this was the best option. Remove everything and kind of start from scratch. So that's kind of what I'm going to do, and hopefully label everything, make it look all pretty. So still working on it, but getting it done. Alright guys, so as you can see, this kind of turned into a pretty big project now. So I've got the dash out. I took the two screens out, and you can see all that up there. I got all of this pulled out. Let me try to get that glare out of there. So I got all this pulled out. A lot of this is from the previous I guess, what do you call it, the electronics, the previous stuff. So I got like rudder feedback, so got most of that done. Still working on pulling everything out. You can see back here is definitely a mess of wires. Looks like this isn't even fused. You can see there, so that's on the hot side. So definitely got a lot to clean up still to do in here. So, but it's coming along a little bit. I think what I'm going to do is this is the 35 Express. So once I get everything cleaned up, I'm going to fix the this here. I saw online a way to fix the backlit on the breakers so that I can actually read the breaker labels. So still got a lot to go though. In case anybody's interested, if you have a Simrad unit, so I have the Simrad dome, and this connection, which, let me grab the other piece. So my Simrad comes to this. This part was mounted in there, and I had this giant plug. So in case you've never seen it, so it's basically a data cable. So data cable, power, and ground, which plugs in right there. So I had to pull that out because, of course, I have an extra 40 feet of wire, which I don't need. So I'm debating on actually trimming it down and then re-putting the connectors on and redoing that, just to remove some of this excess wire. There's a lot of, you can see, I've got a lot of excess wire, NEMA wire even, that I don't need, and I've got two extra NEMA cables that are coming from the engine room that I honestly don't know what they are. So I'm kind of interested to see how I can come up with that information. So, but as you can see, still work in progress, still working through it, getting it all together.